What is going on, guys? Welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hopefully you stay and hit that subscribe button. But in this video, I'm basically going to break down and show you how much I earn through social media. So if you do follow my channel, I have currently got a challenge on at the moment to go from zero to £100,000 via dividend investing by just using my social media income. I've had a lot of questions about showing a breakdown of my social media revenue that's coming in. So my biggest income is YouTube currently. I've just monetized Facebook. That's literally just happened. So I'll show you that. That's pretty hard to earn revenue on with Facebook. And then the other one is TikTok. TikTok is a little bit easier, but it's not as great as YouTube, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But here's my channel, my breakdown. So currently getting just under 4 million views on my channel. You can see I'm on a little incline right now, constantly growing. Over 50,000 likes, and then I'm getting over 70k subscribers. So on a good thing. As you can see at the moment here, posting a lot of shorts. That's how I'm keeping my subscribers interacting at the moment, keeping them engaged, because at the moment I'm pretty busy in work, so I'm finding it hard to get content out, like long form content. So I'm putting shorts out, and now you can earn money from shorts. It's a great idea because it also grows my subscribers also, so it's pretty decent from there. So yeah, so that's the breakdown on that. Returning, you see my new viewers there, pretty decent. That's growing quite nicely, along with my new subscribers also. You can see here that's the best time to upload. So mine is probably this here, so 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is my pretty much my solid time. If I upload 2 p.m. every day, that's when I will get a pretty solid view count come through on that. So I won't go into my YouTube revenue just yet. I'll jump over to Facebook, and here is Facebook. Like I said, I've only just done this, so I've only just started earning revenue through Facebook, and as you can see here, I've earned a total of 70 cents, so just shy of $1. Like I said, Facebook's a little bit harder. You need the followers and the engagement for this. To earn money on Facebook, your followers have to send you money. I don't think you can earn money from just views, because a lot of my videos are pretty high. They get thousands and millions of views from my Facebook Reels. But like I said, that's just something that comes from people sending me stars and stuff like that. You can do subscriptions, so maybe I'll look at doing a subscription service on Facebook for my followers. But like I said, at the moment I'm still trying to grow that fan base, that support, and have a interacting platform where people start sending me money for the content I put out. So like I said, Facebook is only just started, and that's pretty much how much I'm earning via Facebook that haven't been paid out yet. I don't know if there's a minimum to be sent out on Facebook just yet, but yeah, that's just that. And then TikTok, where's TikTok gone? There he is. So yeah, TikTok, here's the breakdown of my TikTok. You can see there, this is the month of, or pretty much the last 7 days really. So video views, 60k. That's currently down from, I'm guessing, last week or maybe the last month. Over 500 views on my profile. Just shy of 4,000 likes and 70 comments. And you see there my video views are bouncing up and down. TikTok, I still haven't worked out like how they break down ad revenue, how they pay you, but it's hit and miss really, which I'll bring up the payments in a minute, and I'll show you pretty much that on how much I've earned from TikTok since I've been monetized. So you can see here the 9th of last year, so what's that, September, I've been monetized. That's pretty much my biggest payout, but I think that's from when I first opened my account to monetizing it, I think. And one of my videos did go viral. That's how I got like so many subscribers so I can monetize. One video did go viral, and then I thought that would be quite nice if I could get that monthly, but as you can see, it's pretty impossible to get that a month. That video there went viral. I think I had 2 or 3 videos that got over 10 million views. So you need to get over a couple of million views a video to get a decent payout. Then I realized I had that, so I started posting like 2-3 videos a week to try and get some constant like content going out, views coming in, and my page growing. But as you can see there, it just didn't work, because the month after, or 2 months after, I got 16 pence, or 16 pounds I mean. December I got just shy of 20 pounds. Jan I only got £1. February I'm guessing I got £6. Kind of went viral with a video again. I think I reposted that video at the bottom. I reposted it and it just didn't do as well, but it did bring in some money. And then last month was £28, and then this month, or it is now the 14th of July, so May I got given £8, so that's currently sat in my account ready for withdrawal, but there's an £8 up here somewhere. But that's pretty much how TikTok is paying me out. As you can see, it's pretty hit and miss really on, I don't know how they work it out, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much TikTok really, not much there to go off. So if we head back over to the YouTube, and then we're going to look at my revenue. So like I said, this is my biggest earner currently. As you can see there, estimated revenue is £163 at the moment. You can see I'm quite steady along the board. So this is daily. So I'm currently sat at over £4 a day at the moment. I got £8 there a day, £5, £6, £5, £5.50. Dropped there to, like I said, just shy of £4, and I'd be on the climb then. £6, £7, £9 there, £8. Yesterday I got paid £9. So it's quite on the, and these, as you can see there below, these are just all shorts that I'm posting. I posted one long long form content and one short, 2 shorts there, 2 shorts there. So yeah, and you can see here my monthly breakdown. It's a little bit more consistent compared to TikTok. January is always quite low due to a lot of companies, advertisers pushing during the month of December, ready for the new year. So January is quite low anyway, and it climbs as you can see there. And the goal is to try and keep it over £100 every month if I can. So just slowly growing it here. You see £100. It broke £100 there. May was just shy of 150. Currently sat at £75, and we're not even halfway through the month yet. So hopefully that is going to pass the £100 mark again, and then we can keep on that track going forwards. And then here is what I earn via long form and shorts. So long form currently sat at about £34. That's getting 20,000 views, and YouTube pay me £1.64 for every 1,000 views I get on a video. And if I go to shorts, that's how much I'm earning from shorts, estimated 3.9 million views. I'm getting paid 3p for every 1,000 views I get on a short. So if I had these many views on my long form, and then that would be a lot higher because of the RPM right there. Yeah, so that's pretty much how much I earn from social media. Like I said, Facebook is a new platform that I've just monetized. TikTok have been going for a couple of months now. Since September last year, you can see how that's broken down. And then YouTube is my biggest one, which I'm trying to keep on growing going forward. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, also subscribe, and then follow me on my channel to see how I'm doing on my challenge of £0 to £100,000.